And we've travelled away to Oasis. Let's go.
I'm trying to make a way.
Oh no!
I had no idea.
This has been a bad day.
Mini ball was not the one.
Oh no!
You got it though.
You got
Yeah,
it.
it wasn't
How?
that difficult. It was just
How did you
fucked
do
up
it?
first time.
Oh,
News for the
the
fuck
mini
of it.
ball actually goes stupidly fast. Oh,
News for the
the
fuck of
mini
it.
ball.
I'm yelling, yeah, yeah. 10 of you, but one of me. Yeah, yeah. I'm a different kind of J. I'm a different kind of J. I'm a different.
But yeah, no, I'm actually knackered.
Yeah.
You're knackered, yet you're gonna stay up till like 7 a.m. today.
That's the plan, mate. I try and sneak in a little nap. Or
He's making me yawn now.
yeah, or if I just have some filthy.
Oh, you're too
No,
what are you doing?
I think it's because I haven't eaten today, so like I actually have no energy, so I'm knackered. I'll probably go downstairs, get some golden vegetable rice, and then be living life again.
Eat a banana,
No.
right?
Eat a massive dick.
I'll have golden vegetable rice, Uncle Ben's mate.
Eat a dick.
Oh, so you ate that?
That was-
Jesus Christ.
That was
that's horrible.
gross. Sure, I'm not, yeah, I guess I am weird, but it says I'm not weird. I'm a mix of not. I'm up the Elvis for the Galena, but I gotta do. The Elvis for the Galena, but I gotta do.
No,
Oh.
you can't do that way.
You know?
No.
Hi, Bez.
You sure? I feel like
Yeah.
it's got there for a reason.
Oh.
No, you couldn't.
Wait, why am I
Please,
getting
no.
seven?
No, you
No!
So at the start, you need to get a lot of them
Oh,
to
how
get
have I
into
done that?
good momentum and speed and
There's something
violence.
wrong with me. There's actually something wrong with my head.
What?
You don't know what I'm doing here. This is.
It's got a big dent in it.
Wait, where's?
Brain.
Where can I get through here? Can I
This
get down
brings me
here?
back to the good old days of fucking raging over shit.
Yeah,
like
bro, this game.
No, yo.
This game.
Oh my god, I can't get out.
How about out? Hey,
I
Lachlan.
was a little bit to the.
You don't deserve help.
I
right
don't
now.
know where my ball is right now. It's just,
Oh, cuck off. Toby, I need you to go, otherwise.
Oh, that's too high.
Yeah.
Wait, I can go into another hole.
I don't know what hole you lot are doing, by the way.
Batman.
I've finished.
Shut up, Ethan. All right.
Oh, you actually hit it really soft.
Oh
Not that soft.
Oh, come
no!
on.
Please don't be in bounds. I beg. If this is
I'm
in bounds.
sorry.
Oh my god, imagine. No.
Oh, thank God.
now we can play first to 10 points. It's gonna randomly pop on the screen, and we have to have a buzzer. Do you have a buzzer?
As in like a. Shall I make a noise?
Yeah.
Okay, mine is.
What is
Well, I
that?
just got
Wolf?
frauded.
Yes, I
went down the
landed
whole
like
spiral.
next to the hole.
Hey!
No! My video's bang! I panicked at the end!
Okay, I'm at the end.
The worst thing is my videos don't bang at all.
I'm at the end. I'm waiting. That 14th is mad.
11.
I think it's gonna do it.
Sorry, dude. So pal.
I had a good
God.
comeback though.
I'm just happy I died less
You're
than
right.
one.
I think you. Oh, hello.
I blew up.
Circle down.
Watch out.
How did you survive?
I didn't.
Okay.
I was gonna jump over you. Oh my god, what the fuck? What?
WTF.
Hey!
What was that?
Did you survive it, Josh?
I survived.